Hey guys, here now we go outside. Here we have the Jesy J20. It's a new brand and it's the latest model from Jesy. It's called J20. And here we'll talk about the specifications of the smartphone outside, because I think this smartphone is designed really nice and very impressive, and I really like the design. So I will go outside to talk about the specifications and to have a quick review. I think yes, here from the appearance we can see is a purely Roger phone design. You know, there are a lot of brands in the Roger phone industry, like 2G, Uniform, Blackview, Caterpillar, a lot of players in the Roger phone industry. But here we have the new player. He's called the Jesy, and the design is totally different. You see, before we see a lot of models from the other brands. They mostly have the similar design, but this time I think a very new challenge in the design of the Roger phone. Design language is totally different. You can see the element here, the lines, the logo here, and here as well. The frame is different. About this smartphone, I think it also have the flagship specifications compared to other devices. Let's see. Talk this smartphone from some aspects, like the camera, the battery, the screen, the RAM and ROM, the chips, the specifications. Okay, faster. Let's see the camera. The camera is triple camera. It supports another vision as well. The main camera is 64 megapixel, and the wide angle is 20 megapixel as well. And another one is the night vision camera. It also supports 20 megapixel. So next, I will have a more detailed video to test the night vision. This is the camera here. We're seeing something a square. From there, offshore side, we can see it's a thermal detector. So it means you can detect your temperature through this sensor. I think it's very cool, and during this coronavirus, it's very useful function, and I really like it. And they put the sensor here is beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's not so different, so make you uncomfortable design. No, the design here is make you very comfortable. So the next design here is the camera part, and here also from the back cover we can see it's big, and so we can see the big battery. Smartphone is support 6,000 big batteries. It's big. You know, we know that normally the Roger phones will use big batteries, and one of them features. Okay, next, let's go to the front. It's the screen. The screen is 6.3 inch screen. It supports Gorilla Corning display glass. It's used the Corning glass, and it supports high resolution screen. Here we can see they use the water drop front camera. Okay, this is the screen, and here let's go to talk about the chips. They use the MediaTek 5G chip, and the RAM and ROM is 8 plus 128. Also it supports LPDDR5, UFS 3.1. So most of the flagship specifications they use is in this flagship larger smartphone. And also, you can see a lot of support 5G IP68 rating, and support waterproof. Also, support customized button. Here, this is the power button, and here this is the customized button. You can use this to shoot or to take pictures underwater. Also, yes, also see, it's a very useful, a lot of useful features, functions during this smartphone. Yes, best. It's the best smartphone. Yes, it's also another thing I want to mention is that it's also used the latest Android 11 system, Purity Android system. It also supports wireless charging and NFC fingerprint. It's side fingerprint here. You can see side fingerprint here. Yes, Full HD. The screen is Full HD. Yeah, Full HD display screen resolution. Yes, I like this smartphone, and I hope if you really want a larger smartphone, you can take this into consideration, and maybe you will like it because it's new, just a new another choice. Okay, next we will have a waterproof test of the Jesy J20. Okay. Whoa. This is really waterproof. Let's test it. Okay. Wash. Okay, so after waterproof test, it can still works very well. Good. Nice. Next, I will take my Jesy J20 to the basement of my building to test the night vision function of this larger smartphone. You can see a lot of water here because we just did the waterproof test. Okay, let's see the final result of the night vision function of this beast. Cannot wait to test it. Okay guys, so next we will have a night vision camera test. We will use the normal or night vision mode. First, let's go to the normal mode of the smartphone, Jesy J20 here. Now we are in the underground of the building. You can see when I use the normal mode, totally I cannot see anything. It's pure dark, especially when I put the phone under the car. Actually, you can not see things cleanly. Like here, not cleanly. You just see the lines, some blur things. But now let's change it to the narration mode. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's change it to more. Let's change it to narration, and let's also take videos. So you see, now you see difference, right? It's very light, bright. You can see many things. You can see the tire, and you can see the things under the car. You see it's very, yes, you can see very clearly on the car. What's under the car? Let's also find it. Another here, another car tire. You can also see the color of the tires. You can see many details of the cars. So it's very useful when we use this smartphone in dark place. Yes, it's very useful. Let's change it back to normal mode. Let's see. Okay, now we change it to the normal mode. Here we can see the color of the logo, but not everything is cleanly. You see, just now someone turned on the light, and now they turn off the light, so it's pure dark. You can not see the details, but actually you can tell the color is different. So it's when I turn on the narration mode, it's pure works very well, and it's very useful. And I think many of us will like this function. And okay, let's have the next part. Okay. The final result of the function of this narration, and is all support wide angle and wide angle. Also support macro lens from their specifications. You can see it's a very powerful smartphone. And I hope you like this video. And let's waiting for more cool gadgets and interesting things from here, from Smartphone Fan. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.